Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you're wondering how much of a change we are to expect in Windows 11 interface in the coming months, there's a article on Windows Central that I will be sharing the link from Zach Bowden. He, of course, has a lot of links with Microsoft and Windows, and he's talking about all the UI changes. It seems that right now we're in a mixed bag of interfaces, depending on what you're going to bring up and depending on what you're going to look at. You're either in a legacy interface or into some more modern interface, and of course, a lot of the modern interface is now written in WinUI 3, and more is coming. Apparently, they are working hard at the Windows team to rewrite in WinUI 3 as much as they can of the Windows interface. So this means that almost everything we see, everything we look at, will get transformed over the next months and through 2027 as they are going to rewrite and change things around. So this is a good news because a lot of the interface is a little clunky or old from, the era of Windows 7 almost, if not even worse, depending on what you're looking at. What they want to do is make sure that everything is modernized. They were talking about, for example, the auto run feature where you insert a USB thumb drive, or if you still have anything like DVDs and CDs, the auto run feature that pops up is, legacy from Windows, basically Windows 8, if not Windows Vista or something like that. But I think it's kind of modernized in Windows 8. Well, that will all be rewritten also. Everything that you see and touch will slowly change over the next year. So the article is in the description below, and hope that you enjoyed a good read from the Windows Central team. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.